Hello students. Now in the middle of the different types of integration by substitutions, we are also discussing some special types. Here in the session, we are going to discuss some special type integral, and you can see on the right hand side of the board, you can see that there are some special type of indefinite integral, and if this type of integral are provided to evaluate, then you must know how can we evaluate this integral. So here is a look, you can see. I can take the first example, first number one, evaluation. I is equal to integration of 1 upon sine x minus a into cos x minus b with respect to x. Here we see one is sine function and other is cosine function. So we have to write here a something constant, and constant term is managed easily. So if we write a constant, then we have to manage, and here we have to write a constant. Without writing this constant term, we can't evaluate this type of integral. Then you can see which constant is used by you. You can see here we use cos a minus b. Here we use cos a minus b, and the denominator is sin x minus a into cos x minus b. If we write this constant term, then we have to manage, so we have to divide this integral by cos a minus b. Now 1 upon cos a minus b. Here you can see the angle of sine is x minus a and the angle of cos x is x minus b. So we have to write the angle a minus b in the numerator in terms of x minus a and x minus b. So how can I do this? You can see cos x minus b minus of x minus a divided by sine x minus a into cos x minus a. You can see here, if we break the bracket, then x minus x cancel out, and the remaining term is plus a minus b, and here is a minus b, so here is also a minus b. So we have to write a minus b like that, like this. If we write this in like this, then we evaluate this type of integral. So here we use the formula cos a minus b, 1 by cos a minus b, integration of, you can use the formula cos a minus b. So here is cos a x minus b into cos b x minus a is the sign minus, so we can put plus sign sin x minus b into sin x minus a, and this term divided each numerator. So we can write sin x minus a cos x minus b. Here we write also sin x minus a into cos x minus b, and this is ds. You can see some terms are common in numerator and denominator. You can easily cancel out. Here you can see this and this are common, so we can cancel out this term. Here you can see sin x minus a is common, so we can cancel out this term. And the remaining term is written in the integral. So we can write. So cos A minus B integration of, here we can write both the angles are same. Here is cos, here is sine, cos by sine, cot. This is cot x minus A plus, here the upper term is sine and the lower is cos and the angle is same. So we can write tan x minus b and here is dx. Now you can see that these both the integrals is easily integrable. So you can use the formula of integration of cot x and integration of tan x. So you can see this is equal to 1 upon cos A minus B into, what is the integration of cot x? ln mod sin x. You can write ln mod sin x minus A, or it is the sin plus, what is the integration of tan x? It is ln sec mod x plus ln sec mod x minus ln mod sec x minus b. Here is the curly bracket close and lastly we put the constant of x. So guys, you have seen that how can we evaluate this type of integral. So this is the special type and you have to know how to evaluate this type. Similarly, we can evaluate the next integral. You can see number 2, evaluation. I is equal to integration of 1 upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b with respect to x. Here both the term in the denominator is cosine. So we have to write the numerator as sine a minus b. So here we write sine a minus b, and to manage this we have to divide the given integral by sine a minus b, and the denominator is cos x minus a into cos x minus a. As we already have seen that we have to write the integral, we have to write the angle a minus b in terms of x minus a and x minus b. So according to the last question, we can write a minus b as sine x minus b minus of x minus a. Can we write or not? We can write. If we break the bracket, we will get this result. But we do not have to do this because we have to evaluate this problem. So we have to use the formula of sine a minus b. So in the next step, we will use the formula of sine a minus b. One upon sine a minus b. Here the formula is sine a x minus b cos sine a into cos b cos x minus a minus of cos a into sine b cos x minus b sine x minus a upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Here is dx. Now you can separately divide this 1 by sine a minus b integration of, you can divide this sine x minus b cos x minus a divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. Here is the sign negative, so we can put negative sign. Cos x minus b sin x minus a upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. So which term is common in numerator and denominator? You can cancel out. You can see here is the common term, so we can cancel out this term. Also, you can in the next part you can see this is the common term, so we can cancel out this term and put the remaining term 1 by sin a minus b integration of sin by cos 10. You can write 10 x minus b minus sin by cos 10. You can write 10 x minus a, and this is the integration. Now you can use the formula of integration. So this is equal to 1 by sin a minus b. And what is the formula of integration? What is the integration of 10x? It is ln mod sec x, that is sec x minus b mod, and minus sign ln mod sec x minus a. Curly bracket close and put the constant term, and this is the final answer. Now we are going to evaluate the third integral, which comes under special type. So you can see third number, evaluation I is equal to integration of sin x plus a upon sin x plus b. This problem is something different from last two problems. In the last two integral, you can see the numerator is 1 and something is written on the denominator. But here you can see that there is something present in the numerator. So we cannot write some extra constant to evaluate this problem. We have to manage the angle of sin x to evaluate this problem. So look here, how can we rearrange the angle? We can write sin, here the angle is x plus b, so we can write x plus b. The extra term we can put here plus b, so we have to manage. Already we have a b is second extra, so we have to subtract it. So we can write sin x plus b plus a minus b here, divided by sin x plus b. You can use the formula sin a plus b. Sin x plus b, sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Divided by sin x plus b, here also sin x plus b dx. You can cancel out this term. you can separate this integral into two parts. Here the constant term, you can take out this constant term outside the sign of integration. So cos a minus b integration of dx plus, here is the constant term, so take out the sign outside the sign of integral, sin a minus b, yes, cos by sin cot, so you can write cot x plus b dx. Then what will be the final answer? This is cos a minus b integration of dx with respect to x is x, plus here is sin a minus b, and the integration of what x? It is ln mod sin x. So sin x plus b modulus close plus constant term c. So this is the final integral of this given integration. So student, you can see that how this type of special problems can be taken. If this type of problems are asked in your examinations, then you can easily evaluate this type of integral by using this concept, by using this trick. So thank you for watching me and listening me carefully, and hope you guys will really enjoy this session. And I think that whenever you take the different problems of integral, you can solve this. Thank you.